So hello and welcome guys back to Quizzical Doctors. Today we are going to mainly discuss regarding the adipose tissue topic of the connective tissue. Mainly I think that this is the topic from which most questions have been asked in the university papers if you check. However, if there are other topics which you would want me to cover, you can definitely write it in the comment section and I will definitely cover them as well. So first of all, beginning with the adipose tissue. See, the fat in the adipose tissue is mainly deposited by special cells. Okay, so first of all, we can write one thing is that there are two types of adipose tissue. Let's just remove this. So there are two types of, mainly it's white fat and brown fat. When describing white fat, the adipocytes, I hope you can see the adipocytes here. Adipocytes contain unilocular fat with a large fat vacuole. So as you can see here, there is a large fat vacuole which is present. This is the nucleus of the cell. So this is a white adipose tissue. It's mentioned here. Coming to brown fat, multilocular, small fat vacuoles in the adipocytes. I hope you understand right that this is a complete adipocyte, or this is a complete adipocyte and this is the fat vacuole. So now if we move down, we can see that this is a complete adipocyte and there is a multilocular fats which are present. This is the mitochondria, this is the mitochondria, these are mitochondria, and these are the fats which are present. Right, these are the fats, small yellowish circles. Right, so small fat vacuoles in adipocytes. Yes. Now, white fat is actually present in most of the body fat. Right. Now, you know how there is the increase in fat cells, increase or accumulation of fat in the body. Accumulation of fat. It mainly occurs by two ways. How? By hyperplasia or hypertrophy. So what is hyperplasia? Hyperplasia is increase in number of adipocytes. Increase in number of adipocytes. Here we are mainly referring to the fat increase, right? It can actually, hyperplasia means increase in any type of cells, right? Like if there is an increase in some epithelial cell, then it may be an epithelial hyperplasia. Here we have the increase in adipocytes, that's why it's a fat hyperplasia. And hypertrophy is the increase in size of adipocytes. In size of adipocytes. Again, it can be the increase in size of any cell. Like we have the hyperplasia of the myocardial cells, right? You will read that in the second year. It's not important now. Now, mainly this hyperplastic or hypertrophic fat deposition, they mainly occur during two periods. Two periods. That is after birth and before puberty. Now we'll move on to some other some other headings under adipose tissue. So functions of adipose tissue as a whole, right? Provides a storehouse of fat. Acts as a cushion. Helps to conserve body heat. Mainly it's by the brown fat. Packing material around viscera. Around viscera. Right. Then distribution. So in subcutaneous tissue, it may be present as a peniculus adiposus. 22% of body weight in normal female. Right, it forms 22% of normal body weight, female body weight, and 15% of body weight in normal male. Then again, it is present around the kidney. It is also present in the mesenteries and in the omenta. It is also present in bone marrow and localized fat in synovial membrane. Right. So it was a very small topic, very small discussion. With that, we come to the end of today's topic, which is the adipose tissue. Next, we'll move on with the other topics, which are the cartilages, then there are the bones and the joints.